We are working on a 2012 Ford Focus, and we are removing the multifunction switches. First thing we have to do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Next we have to remove this T25 screw that is on the top column cover. We want to rotate our steering wheel 90 degrees from center, and then we'll look for this little piece right here to release the top column shroud. Next we have to rotate our steering wheel 180 degrees to the left, and we'll find another release button right here. We'll push in, and that will release the top cover. Now we can push up on our top column cover, and we can leave it right there. Underneath the column, we need to remove this panel right here. It's just clipped on, and get that out of the way. Next we need to remove the bottom column cover. It's held on by a T25 in this recess, and then in this recess right here is a 7mm headed screw. We need to remove those now. There is nothing holding the bottom cover on, so we can just drop that out of the way. Next thing we have to do is to remove these two T8 screws that hold the switch in. There's one right here, and there is one right up here on the top. So we have to remove those now. The only thing holding the switch in now are these little retainers. This bottom one you push up, top one push down, and then the switch will come right out. Just like that. This is the right-hand side, and the left-hand side is the identical procedure to remove the switch. And that's all there is to removing a multifunction switch from your Ford Focus.